Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a haul for you guys, and it's been a while since I have I guess a semi-huge haul for me. This is pretty much like a collective haul because I got this in like 3 different purchases, and I've just been waiting for the last product to do a video for you guys, and it's probably my last haul for the year, unfortunately, because I'm about to give birth soon, so I'll be taking a mini break from YouTube, but I'll be back. So I thought, why not end with a bang? But anywho, these are some of the products, and it features Japanese, Chinese and Korean products. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm not going to go into full detail of them because some of these products I do want to do like a try on beauty makeup review as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's start with a big one. This is a shampoo. This is Diane Perfect Beauty Extra Night Repair. I saw this in Japan and I finally finished my honey shampoo, so I thought, why not try this one and see how it goes for my hair, my damaged hair, my eczema, dry hair. So I thought, why not give it a try? It features like argan oil and keratin, which I absolutely love. I think it's a perfect duo for those who have dry hair. So we'll see how it goes. So I just got the shampoo version but not the conditioner because I feel like not much difference with conditioner anyway. My husband did some research and he feels that the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Suncream is really good, so I'm yet to try it out. I got 2 boxes. I bought one for my mom and one for me and my son to try, so we'll see how it goes. But this is Airfit sunscreen. It is in SPF 30. I wish it was 50 because New Zealand sun is so but it's okay, we'll give it a go. This was really viral on TikTok, so I thought I'll give it a try. This is the Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream. It's not the cheapest and it's really small, guys, for the cost itself. But you know what? People has been like raving about it for dry skin, so I thought, why not give it a try? And it's so buzzy because this packaging really reminds me of like prescribed cream that you get from the pharmacy. It's not plasticky, it's just, I don't even know what it's called, like aluminium, I guess. So we'll see how it goes on my skin. This one is the Roman Better Than Control palette. It is a pretty big size. I got mine in number 1, neutral warm. Next is a highlighter, and this is from the brand Espoir. Their highlighter pink marine comes in a big ass box, so I was like, whoa, why is it so big? Why is it a highlighter? But it's because they wanted to fit in the fan brush it comes with. And this is the highlighter, which I feel like is such a beautiful marble finish to it. I love anything marble. Look how pretty it is. It's like a pink champagne color. The 2 product, this is the Peripera Sugar Twinkle Dual Eye Stick, and this one is a concealer and a shimmer. Oh, I didn't realize it was concealer because I've been using the concealer for my inner part of my eye. Oops. So it says, does it say gently glide concealer to brighten your under eye area and cover dark circle and blemishes, apply shimmer to highlight and natural sparkle under eye look. Oopsie daisy, I used it the complete wrong way, but it's okay, it still worked on the end. So one side, it's obviously the highlighter, which is a gorgeous peachy orangey shade, and then obviously the tip, the pointy one, is a white concealer, which totally makes so much sense now. But I just thought it was a brightening eye bit, you know, when I was applying it just before. And I have this TIRTIR Tone Up Essence in SPF 30. I bought this because I saw that it was really popular and was viral on TikTok, so I was like, why not give it a go? Can't go wrong with, you know, getting more like primer products because I do love anything like moisturizing primer. So I thought I'll give this one a go. And this big ass box here as well, I was like, what is this? And I realized this is the Flower Nose Midsummer Fairytale, and this is their lip lacquer. Got mine in color G06. Such a beautiful packaging, but it's so heavy for a lip product. But I can see that they stock up a whole bunch of liquid in here, which I think is awesome. I'm yet to try this color and I'm stoked to try this color. I might actually do a little bit on top right now because I'm not so happy with the current one that I have. So I'm just gonna quickly apply this. It's very similar to the one that I'm wearing, but at least this one applies nicely. And another flower nose product. Look at the packaging. This is a blush. This is from their Little Angel collection in #1 Rose Ash. I've already ruined the embossment, but it's such a gorgeous mauvey cream blush shade. This is an eyelash product, so this I believe is supposed to be magnetic. I've been obsessed with like, I've been obsessed with like Chinese magnetic eyelashes where you don't need to use glue, you don't need to use magnetic eyeliner, it legit just stick onto your lashes, which you just put underneath your you know, your real lashes. I have done a review, not on this product, but I've done a review on another brand, Floret, so I will link it down here if you guys want to check it out. But I thought I'll try a different style to see how I go. This bigger box here, again, another Sea Beauty, and this is from Flower Nose as well. This is another collection, Midsummer Fairytale collection, Embossed Fire Color Makeup Palette in #1 Hazel Fawn, which is like a ashy, I guess, cool tone finish eyeshadow, which I think is gorgeous, and beautiful brown combos. Got this because I saw my friend Judy rave about it, so I thought why not give it a try, and I always trust her judgments. And this one is TIRTIR Must Fit Red Cushion. Don't need to say much about it, obviously it is viral everywhere, and this is number 23 and Sen, yet to try, but I thought I'll jump into the bandwagon now and give it a try, even though I'm late to this whole viral product thing. Then this one, I had to get it when I saw them release a new version. This is the HERA Black Cushion Foundation, and honestly it has the same packaging and everything to their old one. It's just like this, but I will talk more about it in my try on beauty review. It comes with the cushion, and it also comes with a refill as well, which I'm always grateful for, because for the price you pay, you would think it would be nice to give you a refill, okay? But you know what, the cost, even though they increase it, I'm still happy with the cost because I need to have this HERA Black Cushion in my life, okay guys? So yeah, last but not least is a lip product, and this is 3CE Drop Glow Gel. The reason why I bought this is because of the wand applicator, which is a silicone finish, and it's so curvy. Look at that, how bizarre and unique this looks. So I thought, why not try this out? And I got mine in the color Wonder, which is my go-to like burgundy red color. Not so much the name, but I mean like this color is what I always go for anyway in any beauty product. So I thought, why not stick to something that I like since I'm only getting one. Last but not least is this biggest box here, and again another trendy product which I finally jumped into getting it after seeing this for ages, after trying to find it in Korea and then gave up. This is the Medicube HR Booster Pro in the pink. I thought maybe Yesstyle might release the, you know, the Sailor Moon version, but they didn't. And when they released the pink one, they had such a good sale on it. I can't say no. So this finally arrived. I haven't tried yet. If you guys want me to do a separate video on me trying out and my thoughts on it, let me know. But I just feel like there's just so many out there. You guys probably will get bored if I did a video. But look how beautiful this baby is. It's such a gorgeous baby pink color. I absolutely in love with it. And for the size itself, I was very surprised at how lightweight it is. I did hold it just to, you know, play around with it, but I was just really shocked. So those are my haul. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products or anything that you have on your like wish list that you're wanting to get. But I hope you guys stay tuned for my part 2 where I'll try some of these products. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.